Stop. The very next time you slice into a fresh avocado, do not throw away the seed in the trash. You are throwing away the absolute most nutrient-dense part of the entire fruit. Look at this right here. People throw these away, completely ignoring that the seed actually contains a higher concentration of polyphenols and flavonoids and nutrients than the actual fruit itself. These powerful antioxidants act as a natural shield to protect your hair follicles from environmental stress. Now they are packed with essential vitamins like vitamin A, B complex, C, and E, alongside vital minerals like iron and zinc that go straight into the root to feed your hair during its active growth phase. And on top of that, the micro oils inside seep out perfectly during a cold infusion, coating each individual strand to prevent split ends and mechanical breakage. So if you've been struggling with shedding or hair that refuses to grow past your shoulders, the hidden powerhouse has been right in front of you. Let's dive in.
1, 2, 3.
So here I have 2 avocado seeds that are showing 2 completely different states. One is pale cream and the other has met the air and turned dark. This dramatic color shift happens because the raw seeds contain massive amounts of tannins and polyphenols that naturally oxidize the very moment they touch oxygen. And when the seed is fresh, it is soft, moist, and incredibly easy to grate. But once you leave it whole, it becomes completely brown or black and dries rock hard, making it nearly impossible to grind down later. So with that, I'm taking the fresh one and going right ahead and grinding it down. And don't be alarmed by the phenomenon. The color change is ultimate proof that the heavy antioxidants are active, alive, and ready to transform your scalp health. Now after grating a bit of the first avocado seed, I'm going to go ahead and take the dark brown colored avocado seed and go ahead and grind it. Now here I have both avocado seeds grinded. As you can see, one of them has grated finer than the other. I'm now going to transfer them directly into my extraction jar. Here's the jar I'll be using. You can use any tightly closed jar of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and add in the grated avocado seeds right into it. And with that, here's what they look like in the jar. Let's go ahead and add in my next ingredients. I'm now going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cloves, which are highly concentrated dried flower buds that function as the primary shield for your hair. They also possess an exceptionally high concentration of eugenol, a powerful bioactive compound that drastically improves the microcirculation when applied directly to your scalp. Next up, I'm adding 2 thick cinnamon sticks right into the jar with the rest of the ingredients. Cinnamon creates a gentle warming effect that may help support healthy blood flow to the scalp, while also removing excess oil and product buildup. Now for the liquid base, this is what I'm adding instead of water. Aloe vera juice. We are completely skipping the standard water and pouring the fruit of the earth aloe vera juice. This pure juice serves as the perfect carrier for our treatment. It is a deep scalp humectant that binds moisture directly into the hair shaft, preventing it from evaporating so your hair stays hydrated. It even contains live enzymes that dissolve dead skin cells to unclog congested hair follicles so new strands can grow. And furthermore, its natural pH matches your hair's environment to flatten your cuticles, locking in shine and eliminating frizz. So with that, let's go ahead and tighten up the jar, and I'm going to wrap it up in a clean towel that I have. You're going to let the mixture sit and infuse under the towel for more than 24 hours. Make sure to put the wrap jar away in a dark, clean place, completely removed from any ambient light and extremely cold temperatures. By using this cold extraction method, all the raw, unboiled botanical nutrients from our grated seeds, cloves, and cinnamon sticks gently seep straight into the aloe vera juice matrix. This process delivers an incredible result and a powerful impact on your hair, as you can see here. Because we avoided heat, your follicles receive pure, uncooked nutrition at peak potency. It floods the hair shaft with intense moisture to eliminate dry, brittle strands and secure maximum length retention. Now here I have a bowl and a clean cheesecloth to strain the liquid and filter out all the leftover particles from the seeds and spices. Now this is all the leftover particles, and this is the incredible potent extraction. Every single live enzyme and antioxidants is captured right in there with a concentrated base ready to completely transform your scalp health. Now to make this treatment even more powerful and enhance the mixture, I'm going to use a few targeted essential oils. First off, I'm going to be adding several drops of vitamin E oil, a legendary antioxidant that minimizes oxidative stress on the scalp and repairs damaged follicles. Next up is some pure jojoba oil, which perfectly mimics natural human sebum to seamlessly seal moisture into the hair cuticle without weighing it down. And finally, I'm blending in some tea tree oil, a heavy-hitting component packed with antimicrobial properties to instantly purify the scalp and protect it against dandruff-inducing fungi. Then mix it all up thoroughly to create an absolute growth bomb for your roots. Look at that richness. This is exactly what your scalp needs to get stronger, to stop shedding, and to grow in abundance. It provides the ultimate nourishment to revive lazy hair follicles and completely transform your hair health from the roots down. Now let's use a spray bottle to hold our finished product. I'm going to be using a smaller funnel to transfer the liquid without spilling, and you guys can use any clean spray bottle of your choice. Now with that being said, make sure to use this tonic before shampooing to give your scalp a fresh start. Work it well into your scalp and hair, then cover it with a plastic cap and leave it on for about an hour. It helps to lift away flakes, old oil, and residue that can collect around your roots. And once this treatment is done, rinse and shampoo your hair thoroughly. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, so if you found it helpful, make sure to share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!